Hey y'all, what's up? So it's like the middle of the night. My sister-in-law is staying over, and I can hear her snore. Like she's on the other end of the house. I can hear her snore. And it's funny, like it's super loud. So the lighting's gonna be really dark. You probably won't be able to see a thing, but you'll be able to hear it. And it's hilarious. It was out of control, right? Oh, sorry for the mess of my hair, but it's the middle of the night. I could care less. Yeah, she snores loud. That's okay though. No one's perfect. No one breathes perfect. Everyone snores, whether you want to believe it or not. I know I snore, but I only do it when I'm sick. Well, have a good day.